I'm seeing your pictures pop up on my phone. Last week it was Paris, this week it's Rome. You're living your life.
Your Jetstar flight JQ928 through to Cairns.
I had to gate check it. It was too heavy.
But you got it first because it was last to be loaded.
It's fine. We're still waiting for our freaking check-ins. Like, if you have check-in, you are in no rush to get off the plane because, like, yeah, you go through immigration, you go through security, you still have to wait for your check-in. So there's really no rush in getting off.
We're gonna pick up our rental car now. We got the exact same car. Made it to CNS, aka Cairns.
Don't think we wouldn't have made it.
We were really close to not making it. The Grinch? Oh yeah. He's just coming. He gets him.
It's cold, but it's warm.
It's just really windy.
30 kilometers, yes, that's how it should be for these curves.
No cats. Okay, we're leaving now. We just finished tour of the enclosure for the animals. It was my first time seeing an alligator in person. It's one of these guys. I feel like I'm playing Silent Hill or something. I'll enter a code.
How's parking?
Okay, I got the key. The parking lot door is over there. It does not look like an entrance for a parking lot.
It doesn't, it's very hidden. Hope like your vlog kind of opens up people to Australia.
Like who? Like our friends or?
Yeah, to like be inspired to come here.
The birds in Australia just feel so much different than the birds in Canada. We're up there.
We're gonna sleep out here. I don't mind.
We got mango and cream.
Yeah. And then I saw someone walking by a few days ago with her What was this?
Fun fact, Tim Tams is a core memory for Mary and I. That's not bad. Pretty good actually. And between these Christmas trees, this is like really empty. There's nothing in here.
These are huge.
What the hell?
They're literally the size
like they look like peanut like M&Ms.
Yeah.
It's like kind of stale.
No.
No, you gotta put multiple.
No, that's it.
Like, it takes 4 Skittles to fill your palm.
They're giant, but they're softer inside.
If it was the same hardness as like a small one, that would be like a jawbreaker. Wait, let's say goodnight.
Good night.
Okay, good night everybody. See you tomorrow. I saw this kind of on the way to where we were supposed to go. It's called Wonga Beach, and they described it as where the beach meets the reef.
I don't know what it is. There's just something about you.
Anyways, now we're gonna actually head to our actual destination.
Wow, that's so cute. Does it get busy?
Wow, the camera just doesn't do it justice. We made it to Dodubi, I think. Yeah, Dabuji Boardwalk. Yale Beach, Dabuji Boardwalk. Oh, it's really high tide. Use vinegar. What does it say?
Crocodiles inhabit this area.
Where does it say that?
There.
Okay, well, just don't go near there. I didn't realize that's vinegar. The second I saw that sign, the fact that we have to walk by water, dude, that's so scary.
It's supposed to look like this.
But instead, it looks like this. Oh my goodness.
Yo, it just took a massive dump.
Oh my gosh, you can see like the berries.
Yeah.
We just saw a cassowary.
It just crossed the road to take a massive.
Can we get one mango smoothie?
One mango.
Is it good? Like, touch it. It is hot.
Freshwater crocodiles are milder compared to
Yeah.
saltwater. I was like, oh, it's coming a bit closer. What is that?
I swear it saw us.
Yeah, it did. No, I'm.
Like, how do you?
They ignore me.
We're at Port Douglas. This is home of the 4 Mile Beach because the beach is 4 miles. Oh yeah, those are huge.
Are they the mangoes?
Yes, yep.
Red means ripe, right?
No, no.
They're right. Well, they're just a soft touch. These are all right.
Oh my god, that was so cheap. I was expecting.
Don't say that.
I was expecting like $20.
Yeah, I was expecting $20. Yeah, that's nice. I think it's that place. I'm not too sure though. Oh, that's a sky rail.
And some are very That's what it looks like inside. It's steak, bacon, and cheese.
Is it? Why you don't think it's enough?
Yeah,
How much has left?
like probably 20.
20? That's enough.
Oh no, it's 20.
That's definitely more than enough. Okay, say goodnight.
Good night.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
Yo, it just took a massive dump.
Oh my gosh, you can see like the berries.